Hi guys, we're going just cleaning some parts up actually in between waiting for the new clutch, new gearbox part to put up. So I've got a big bag, so I keep it in bags so I don't use anything. So yeah, I've got the gearbox part, just need one more. Obviously this is the offending tooth there. There we go. So I just need to get that off, and then obviously I can replace that tomorrow and hopefully it turns up tomorrow. I'll do a video on that separately, but I was just cleaning some parts out and measuring the clutch and the free spring plates and things like that. And I've noticed before I've had a really rattly clutch. When you're neutral and then you release the clutch, it's really rattly. And I've seen a lot of people say about it online, but this is like, I don't know if you can hear it very well, hopefully you can hear it. Give it a shake. Switch hands because this might be canned. So yeah, you're gonna see these springs in the back here. So this is a clutch basket. Obviously this goes above onto the output shaft of the gearbox. Or input shaft I suppose, and then the output shaft goes to the rear wheel. So yeah, the input shaft, so it goes from the engine. This is transferring power from the gearbox, from the engine to the gearbox, or vice versa through gears. And obviously when it's in neutral, this thing is really rattly. Is that normal? I don't know, let me know. I don't think it is normal. But I know that these are very, very expensive when I've looked online. I've got some cheaper bits anyway, because I went to Bike in Japan, which are fantastic, but obviously even still these are like 500 quid, so that's a bit too much for me. I have to stick with the rattle until it breaks, or I find a good second hand, but chance of finding another one I think are very limited. I don't know if you can service them or not, I'm not sure. I have to look a bit more into it. But yeah, just the rattly clutch. But if you know anything about it, let me know in the comments. I'd be really glad to hear it. Alternatively, you'll hear me coming. So cheers guys, I'll update you soon. Thanks a lot, bye.